Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best gas fire pits for cozy outdoor gatherings on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Outland Living Gas Fire Pit. The Outland Living Gas Fire Pit is a great choice for anyone looking to add warmth and charm to their camping, patio, backyard, tailgating, or RV experience. With this propane fire pit, you no longer need to worry about dirty ashes, expensive firewood, or bothersome smoke. It has a clean, realistic look and feel and can be easily set up in minutes without any tools. All you need is a standard 20-pound propane tank cylinder. What we like about it: safe and portable. Produces pleasant, dancing flames. What we don't like about it: the propane tank is not included. Number 2. Endless Summer Gas Fire Pit. Endless Summer Gas Fire Pit is the perfect way to enjoy an outdoor fire without the mess of a traditional fire. It comes with a 30,000 BTU stainless steel burner with electronic ignition for seamless operation. With its contemporary design featuring brown fireglass, a wicker-style steel base, and a mosaic resin mantle, this product is sure to make a polished statement in any backyard. What we like about it: easy assembly with clear instructions. Lightweight and durable construction. What we don't like about it: difficult to light in windy conditions. Number 3. Best Choice Products Gas Fire Pit. The Best Choice Products Gas Fire Pit will look great in any backyard or outdoor gathering space. The 50,000 BTU output provides plenty of adjustable, radiant heat that's sure to keep you and your guests warm and comfy while you enjoy each other's company and the outdoors. This product also comes with a hideaway tank holder that's conveniently attached, allowing you to conceal the propane tank. What we like about it: easy to assemble. Weather-resistant materials. What we don't like about it: included cover is flimsy. Number 4. CA's Gas Fire Pit. The CA's Gas Fire Pit is the perfect addition to any patio, deck, or backyard. This 50,000 BTU steel fire table will keep you and your guests warm and comfortable in any outdoor setting. It also includes lava rocks and a lid to add an extra layer of ambience to gatherings and parties. It provides plenty of heat to keep guests warm while they socialize around the fire table. The 32-inch size provides enough space for drinks, food, and snacks. What we like about it: adjustable flame intensity. Durable all-steel construction. What we don't like about it: the igniter can be difficult to light. Number 5. UMAX Gas Fire Pit. This gas fire pit is the perfect addition to any outdoor space. With a 50,000 BTU heat output and CSA-certified construction, this fire pit provides a safe and reliable bonfire experience. The propane gas is smokeless and ashless, creating a relaxing, warm atmosphere for your outdoor gatherings. The fire pit is made of high-quality materials for lasting durability. The burner and control panel are crafted from 304 stainless steel. The frame is made from powder-coated aluminum, and the polyethylene rattan ensures strength and weather resistance. What we like about it: easy assembly with tools included. Generous heat output. What we don't like about it: no additional colors or styles are available. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.